When patients come to my office, they ask me all the time, what are the benefits of getting a dental implant? Hey, I heard on the radio or the TV the dental implants are the best, but nobody ever explained to me what are the benefits of a dental implant. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can save money over a period of time by getting a dental implant, which is one of the most wonderful thing you can do for your mouth, and also what are the multiple benefits that come along with the dental implant. So the dental implant is going to be naturally looking, just like you may see in this video. It is kind of hard to tell once you get an implant whether which is a tooth versus a dental implant. And it is going to feel, function, and look like an actual tooth also. And then also, whenever you need to have a tooth replaced with the bridge, for example, you have to solder down the two teeth on either side to be able to get a fixed tooth. With the dental implant, you don't have to really solder down the tooth. You can actually preserve the two teeth that you have to solder down when getting a dental bridge versus a dental implant. You don't have to touch the two teeth on either side at all. And then they are long lasting. And then the way you save money long run is because, let's say if you were to solder down the two teeth, and if you end up losing those solder down teeth with the dental bridge over a period of the next 5 to 10 years, now you're looking at either replacing 3 teeth with 3 dental implants or 3 teeth with 2 dental implants. And that's another way you save money also. And then more than that, because they are naturally looking and then they are just like a replacement for a single natural tooth, they are easy to maintain with brushing and flossing. And the most important thing is they prevent the bone loss because they do have an anchor in the bone, and also they preserve your facial structure also. And these are the multiple benefits, and I hope you can invest your money on getting a dental implant that's just going to save you a lot of money over a period of time.